Hey guys, how's it going? This is Naresh here from NM Global Trades. This video is going to be, live execution of Titan trade, what we have done today. Actually, I was bit, delay in recording this video because we already, achieved our targets. I just want to give you, idea how I picked Titan and how we traded Titan today. Okay. Let's go ahead and discuss with the concept, and from now I would be posting some live trade analysis videos also when I am getting a chance, so that you can learn better, as well as you can analyze why I have given calls on Telegram also. First, let's discuss, how we created entry. What is our trade plan behind Titan? Okay. So this is somewhere, we took an entry that is around 1554 was a good entry, and our stop loss turned out to be day high, that is 1560.10. So around this, above this day high, we had our stop loss. So this is our entry initially. So our expectation, at least Titan has to test this day high, previous day high, or in a very good case, it has to give up this particular swing, what you are seeing here, right? Here we have some price action happen, and this it has to give up. But based on today's market scenarios and sentiments, how markets are going on, this high is going to be a very good target. Okay, I will tell the logic behind that also. Now let's go ahead with Titan 1 day time frame and try to analyze what's happening on Titan. Okay. So this is Titan 1 day time frame, and this particular day, our overall trend, if you observe on Titan, this is how it's going on, right? So it's it started moving in uptrend. Sorry, just a second. Yeah, it started moving in uptrend. Then we have a retracement here. Then again it started to continue the uptrend, correct? This particular day, I would tell a good speculative selling happened. Speculative selling, how I can tell, maybe that day because of market condition, or based on overall broad market, we have experienced a good selling, right? On Nifty also we have seen good selling on that day. And here if you see this particular day, it had very good volume on buying side, but this particular day, selling happened to be less when compared to previous buying volume. Okay. After that, what happened in Titan? This is the low point it created. Let's make it a green line. So this is the low point it created, and this is the high point it created. Okay. Now price started consolidating between that range, between that high and low. So here we are seeing a good consolidation move, right? The price started moving sideways. And yesterday it tested this low, this particular low area, and it started getting buying, right? I'll just delete all these lines and I'll exactly tell, what with respect to what candles we have taken, our trades today. Okay. So after this consolidation, price started moving sideways. Then here price tried moving above this high, but it's getting failed. And next day also, if you observe, here also price tried moving above that, but it's getting failed, right? Getting failed in the sense This particular day, if you observe, it had very good, I mean, compared to previous day, it had very good volume, and so good buying also happened. So when good buying happened, it has to take out this high, right? I mean, because that is, as I told earlier, a speculative selling happened, or, maybe because of market fear that selling happened, right? So it has to take out this high. But what happened with Titan, it failed to do that. Exactly above this high, it started taking resistance at end of the day, and somewhere here it closed. And yesterday it got buying from this support, and it is moving towards this resistance again, right? So today, when we analyze both sector as well as Nifty, Nifty broad market is looking very good because it opened above a good resistance and a good gap up, and it's trying to sell off. Whereas Titan, that point of time, it's trying to move up. So I was waiting for this resistance, how we gonna see the reactions over there. So with that view, we have executed this short trade, even though Titan is in buy trend. See, today completely it's in buy trend, right? We have executed a reversal trade here. Let's exactly go in 5 minutes and try to analyze with respect to these levels. So this is going to be my resistance level, right? Here if you see, Titan started moving up, and here it started getting consolidation. Here price started rejecting that resistance. Initially it closed above, then it started trading below. So with that as reference, somewhere around, I mean, this level is 54, so some 54.50, so somewhere around 50 we made our position, right? Somewhere around 50 we made our position. Let me make it a dotted line. Okay. Sorry, somewhere around 54 we made our position. The target, as I told earlier, it is going to be previous day high. That is very good target because the stock is moving in uptrend. I mean, today from morning, if you observe, it's in uptrend. It's not a downtrending stock, right? So that's the reason, a day high good buying can happen. I mean, we can't tell, I mean, surely it's going to happen, but there is a chance, it can happen. So that's why the day high can be a good target level for Titan. Okay. So that is the trade plan actually with respect to levels. And I want to give you one more idea regarding Nifty and the sector also. The sector which Titan belongs, as well as the overall market. Let's go to Nifty. Nifty, yesterday we discussed in our this market summary videos also. So for Nifty, these are going to be some crucial zones I have discussed yesterday, right? So today what happened, Nifty had very good gap up and it started falling, correct? So here it started falling. So during this fall, Titan is rising. Let me compare both charts so that you will get somewhat a clear picture. Okay, this is Nifty and this would be Titan. Okay. So if you observe Nifty movement, I mean, after this gap up, it's unable to make new intraday highs and it started falling. Whereas Titan, from morning it's in uptrend. it did not align with Nifty and it's going in uptrend. So in this uptrend, somewhere here it took resistance. So that point of time, look at the Nifty. I mean, you can see on left hand side, Nifty is forming lower highs. So with this approach, my expectation on Nifty, that point of time, it has to test this support zone, what we have discussed yesterday in our market summary video also. So with that expectation, we have executed Titan short trade. That is first point. And other point, let's go with sector. Sector also aligned with Nifty, right? On FMCG, Titan will come under FMCG sector. So sector also aligned with Nifty. So sector also started falling, right? So then Titan, that point of time, Titan moving up, right? So it's not aligned with sector. So when sector, there is weakness happening in sector, so Titan also expected to fall. That is also one more correlation what we have made. So with all these reasons, we have executed this Titan trade, and we worked on like close to 2,800 risk on this trade, and we made 3 times reward to it actually. So this is how our positions turned out to be today. So this is how. So let me refresh. So we have, we placed, I got entry around 33.50. So I just posted call on our Telegram channel, and I was just about to take the call, but I got bit less price. So 50 paise less price I executed. No issues. So what's there? Like if the trade is right, if everything is perfect, like 50 paise 1 rupee, it's not a big deal, right? So due to that, I have executed around 34.50 because I was planning for somewhat a pullback entry, like maybe 34, 35, that area, but I didn't get it. So that is how, I took a 400 quantity position, and that is how we executed this trade, and we booked around 7,600 around profit. Okay. And our stop loss, as I discussed, it is going to be that 1560, right? Earlier stop loss. See, right now what buying is happening on Titan also, that is because this particular day high. So from this particular day high, it's getting, rejection. Price started getting rejection. So just above that day high, I have placed my target. So if you observe, I have booked around 1534.50, right? 1534.50. So that is that would be just above this, right? Somewhere around here, this price. So at this price, our target got triggered, and we booked our profits. Okay, that is how it went on with Titan, guys. Today it's very good and quick trade. So somewhere around 11:45 we executed, and within 1 hour we got some good results on this trade. Okay. So hopefully you like this video, and if you have any doubts, you can comment down below the video, or you can drop us, drop me an email or even WhatsApp message. So, we'll discuss accordingly. So stay safe and take care. Bye bye.